Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with position and visibility. Sit upright, hold throttle steady, and keep your left hand free. You need clear motion without steering. Once done, glance through mirrors to ensure a 3-4 second gap. That gives you time to complete the signal. Extend your left arm smoothly to mid-level so other road users see the movement. Make a deliberate, slow motion. Fast flails confuse. Practiced, confident gestures communicate intent clearly. You now perform specific signals. For a left turn, extend your left arm straight outward, fingers together, and hold briefly so others register your intent. For a right turn, bend the left elbow up 90 degrees with hand pointing upward. It's higher and clearer to following drivers. To stop or slow, bend the left elbow down 90 degrees with palm facing back and gradually reduce speed while holding the signal. Make each motion deliberate. Repeat. You complete the maneuver by canceling the signal and returning your hand to the grip promptly. Control comes first. If a following driver didn't notice, use your brake light, and when safe, electronic indicators as backup. Make sure to combine hand signals with bike lights for redundancy. If someone misreads you or reacts unpredictably, abort the turn gradually and re-establish a safe lane position. Then try the signal again when clear. Practice fixes uncertainty and improves predictability for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.